We have already seen how to create an automation queue to control the device, which has been created on the server. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to add an automation queue to a show playlist using the GDC SR-1000 web UI. Adding a queue to your playlist will trigger a sequence of automated actions for the corresponding device at the time you specify. To begin, click on the Edit submenu under the Playback tab. Select the desired show playlist from the playlist drop-down. As shown in the tutorial for creating a show playlist, a sample playlist by the name Test Playlist already exists on the server. Let us edit the same. To add the automation queue, click on the edit icon against any particular clip in the show playlist to open the Edit CPL Properties screen. Here, the queue drop-down will enlist all the automation queues which are present on the server. As seen in the tutorial for creating an automation queue, the Start Projector queue turns on the lamp and opens the dowser for the configured projector. Let us select this queue from the drop-down. You can set the queue for any time within the duration of the clip. This can be done by entering the specific number of frames, or elapsed time, after which this queue should be executed. In this example, let us mention a time value of 1 second, which means this queue will be executed 1 second after the selected clip begins. Lastly, add this automation queue to the clip by clicking on the Insert button. Once all the desired queues have been added, click on the Set button. The automation queue that we just added will now be displayed below the selected clip in the playlist. If you wish to delete an unwanted queue from your playlist, click on the Edit icon against the corresponding clip. Click on the minus icon against the automation queue entry in the list, which you want to delete, and then, click on the Set button. Always remember to save any updates to your show playlist by clicking on Save. You can now load the show by clicking on the Load for Playback button. Initiate playback by clicking on the Play button. As the automation queue was added to the first CPL in the playlist, you will observe that it gets triggered 1 second after the CPL is played. This tutorial is now complete. Thank you for watching.